to award Miss Runami Inuhales. Okay, once again, our donors kay aron mabalik-balik ni pasalamat, makabalik-balik ang pasalamat kay murag mo na siya naghatag o kalampusan niining atong gibuhat nga kalingawan karong gabihuna.
Mr. and Mrs. Unde Hamilan, Barangay Council pero Barangay Captain, Mr. and Mrs. Ramil Roserna, Mrs. Maria Morales, Junjun Dumo, Mr. and Mrs. Gina Inamtas, Mr. and Mrs. Belen Teros, Mr. and Mrs. Iwig Inuhales, Mrs. Judy Inuhales, Ms. Penton Palma, Mrs. Inday Ryan and family, Jimmy Dumo, Mrs. Aurelia Escobidan, Mrs. Julian Oral, Julio Oral, and Mrs. Lalo Boal and Rebecca Boal.
And Mr. Ricardo